Hello, everybody. I'm Jeff Davi with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team, and welcome to another virtual tour. Today, we're going to be touring 209 Pine Canyon. It's an absolute compound of a property located at the south end of the Salinas Valley in Pine Canyon. Let's go ahead and start here by grabbing the MLS printout. Take a look at this. Let me share screen. Okay, so you see listed for 2.15 million, 7 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's a 7,000 square foot home. It's absolutely enormous. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 3D tour. It's also got a detached garage and an apartment above the garage, 2 apartments and guest wing. So this is an amazing property. This is the main living area. Got a nice outdoor area as well, trellises. There's a bedroom. Over here, bedrooms are all good sizes. Over here to there's a couple master bedrooms, but this is the main floor master bedroom. A large bathroom, a lot of built-ins, separate tile shower and tub. This home is located on a gated community. I mean, it's all gated, all fenced around, private gates. There's 2 gates in. It's just a real compound way out here in the Salinas Valley. Come back down the hall here and head into the kitchen area. An informal dining area off the kitchen. The kitchen is large with a lot of built-ins, beautiful cabinetry, a Peninsula, double ovens. And this home's actually a post adobe as well. It's hard to believe. It's been added to over the years, so it's got the original post adobe throughout, and then there's more. There's outside patio that runs the whole north side of the property. Here's some large sliding doors. You can have entertaining on both sides, both indoor and outdoor. This is a game room sort of thing. They got a ping pong table going. It could be anything you want it to be. It could be a pool table room. It could be a great entertaining home. And there's that outdoor area. Let's go up to the upper level. Check out that painting. And painted ceiling, beautiful. This is more modern, renovated area of the home. Another family room. With 7,000 feet, there's just so much of this house. This is a media room or an office. Could also be a bedroom. Kids will love this room. Put the Xbox in there. Come back across to another upstairs master suite. This is a little larger than the downstairs master. Got its own balcony. Another bedroom. Back to the lower level of the first floor now. They put this into a weight room. This is below the upstairs suites we were just in, but this could be any sort of you see the post adobe there for sure. But what a large room this is. See how big it is? It's got its own entrance. They made a weight room out of it. It could be anything. And you see we're back to the ping pong table. That's the view toward the front. And then outside here, you see we get to the another balcony, another patio. And you've got a large garage across the way, 4 cars garage, and then an apartment upstairs, as well as a 2-bedroom apartment upstairs. I mean, this property is just a great private compound for anyone who wants to enjoy themselves. And that is the virtual tour for 209 Pine Canyon. If you want to see it when this shelter in place is over, we'll show it to you. But for now, give me a call at 831-594-3290. I'm Jeff Davi of the Monterey Home Team. Thank you very much.